Used to believe we were burning on the edge of something beautiful, something beautiful.
Next contestant through to the semi-final is 11, Samiksha Mahapat.
Yes, make some noise for contestant number 11. Welcome to Final 8, contestant number 1, Saihom Daphne.
Next contestant to the semi-final is contestant number 3, Atom Shushmita.
The next spot in the final 8, Twinkle Moirantame, contestant number 4.
Out of 8 spots to the semi-final, we have 5 already booked and therefore left with 3 berths. And the next berth goes to contestant number 8, Rishirani.
On the 7th spot is... Any guesses, people? Yes, contestant number 6, Martina Pukrambong.
The last spot to the semi-final of Miss Ogre 2017 is contestant number 2, Sylvia Kaisham. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are your top 8 semi-finalists.
Yes, now the top 8 finalists will each pick They will each pick the jury members that will be provided on the plate, on a plate. So each jury member that they pick up will ask a question to the respective contestant.
All right, so congratulations to all the beautiful 8 ladies on the stage. Can we hear some loud noise? Right, I like that spirit, yes. All right, I want you ladies to step back a bit. All right, kitang handaraga lepyo. And also, yes, I want one mic for the participants. Okay. So what we will be doing is, of course, we'll be giving this chit where we have the name of the judges. So the contestant will pick the name of the judge, and we will ask the judge to ask a question each.
Yes, now contestant number 11. Contestant number 11 has picked Silex Ngayangbang.
Hi,
Hi, sir.
good evening. How are you doing now?
I'm good.
Nervous?
Yes.
Okay, my question is, what is your idea of perfect happiness?
My perfect ideal happiness is when I help somebody. Happiness to me is helping. And I think nothing can give you more happiness than helping others. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 11, for that wonderful answer to the question of what, according to you, is perfect happiness.
Well, we now have contestant number 3. Contestant number 3 has picked up Duffy K.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
You look absolutely stunning.
Thank you so
Congratulations for getting into the top 8. I will ask you a very simple question, all right?
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
my question is, if you were to choose between beauty and personality, which one would you choose and why?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. I should choose personality. Maramdi fazaba haibsidagi personality laiba haibsina hena maru oi hena khanjai. Phana phazarasu personality yaudrabadi madu phazaba kaudi hena khanjai. Maramasna personality na hena victory maru oi hena lausai. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your answer. Although I didn't understand it, I'm sure you must have said something really wise and impactful. Thank you.
Right, so let me take this opportunity to translate that a bit to you for your convenience. What contestant number 3 said was, according to her, personality is more important than beauty. Reason being, no matter how good looking you are, if you don't have personality, you are useless.
Thank you. That was indeed a beautiful answer. Contestant number 3. This contestant number 8 has again picked up Duffy K.
Good evening, Vikarani. How are you
Good evening,
feeling?
ma'am.
How are you feeling? Are you feeling nervous?
No.
That's wonderful. All right, let's get to the question then. If there's one thing you would like to change in this world, what would that be? and why?
Pardon, ma'am. Question, please.
If there is one thing you would like to change in this world, what would that be and why?
Hallura.
Sangsar sida aina aigi mod ki matung ina hongning badi mi amaga gi marakta hatreds lainaba asini. Maramdi, when we look an object, somebody say it is round and somebody say it is flat. They have different view, but they criticize. So I want to change the negative criticisms between peoples. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your answer. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 8. Contestant number 2 has picked up Silex Ngairangbang.
Hello. Hi, Sylvia.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm feeling excited.
That's very good. So my question is, what do you like most about yourself and why? Anything you like about yourself and why is that?
Thank you, sir, for your beautiful collection. And good evening, everyone, once again. The one thing that I want about myself is my indomitable mind. And this quality helps me to have a strong confidence and perseverance and helps me to have the quality of humanity which is required in the society. And because of this, I have enough dignify and stand enough to represent myself in front of the crowd. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, contestant number 2.
Yes, we have contestant number 6. Our contestant number 6 has picked up Soma Lysram.
So, you look gorgeous tonight.
Thank you so much.
My question for you is, who is the most influential person you want to meet, and what do you want to learn from him or her?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. And good evening, everyone, once again. The most influential person I want to meet in this life, it would be APJ Abdul Kalam, but sadly he is no more. Thank you. He was our president, and not only that, he is a scientist. He was a scientist, and he had achieved so many things in his life that I couldn't imagine a person to achieve that much. I thought, when I read his achievements, I thought it is impossible for a person to achieve this much in one lifetime. So I just want to know from him what did he learn from his parents, and what kind of thoughts he has about himself. And I want to learn about the views that he has and the things that he wants to achieve more, so that I can pursue his dreams further. But I think my dream would not come true in this lifetime. Thank you so much.
Thank you, contestant number 6.
We now have contestant number 4. Contestant number 4 has picked up again Soma Lysram.
Hi, Twinkle.
Hi, ma'am.
So my question for you is, If you're given a chance to be the CM of Manipur, what will be the first thing you will change first? The first thing you will change in this present situation.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Aina karigumba Manipur gi CM ma oiba tarabadi ahambada I will change the infrastructures of the state. I would like to develop the state more, in this modern way. I will try to remove the corruption and I will try my best level as much as I can. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, contestant number 4. We now have contestant number 1. Suspected Duffy K.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
You look lovely in red.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Being a lady, you must be feeling real proud to stand on stage. So I'll ask you a question related to that. What is your idea of a perfect lady?
My idea of a perfect lady is a mother. Mother is one that gives birth. And mothers takes an important role to create a world. A perfect lady is not about having a job or succeeds in any. Sorry. A perfect lady is not about having a job. It's about having happiness, fulfillment in life. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, contestant number 1. Now, contestant number 7. Contestant number 7 is picked up Soma Laisram.
Hi, Teresa.
Hi, ma'am.
You look so wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you got a very charming smile.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. My question for you is, it's really simple. If you won this title tonight, what will be your greatest contribution to the society?
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful question. If I win this title tonight, I'll use my voice as a woman that we can stand confidently in front of all, and we can use our power, strength in all the ways we can. We have an inner beauty. We have an inner beauty that God has given us, and I'll use that in full length. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, contestant number 7. So that was the question and answer round, where we have all the 8 contestants given their answers to the question being asked.
Yes, ladies, congratulations once again. All of you answered very beautifully.
Indeed. Right, so can we hear one last time? A big cheers for the 8 top finalists.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, once again, here are your top 8 finalists of Miss Ogri 2017.
Ladies, you may move back. Music, please.